Nature is beautiful, and capturing the nature in the camera is a passion. Creature in the nature. It may be very small, very common, still, it is a love to capture them in the camera. Like this dragonfly. It is very common. We can see them around us commonly, but still, if you see them, you can watch them, you notice them. They are not common in their creation. Through the camera, we can see the detailing of this beautiful creation in the nature. There are more than 3,000 known species of dragonfly in the earth. Hardly we can see 3,000 around us, but like in this video, few very common dragonflies we can see them in the video. Their structure, their colors, their activities are so adorable. Their tiny structure, but still it's very strong. Their strength. In the very gusty wind, still they can hold themselves. They still can be calm, cool, hold the self in the nature. So they are very adorable.